Hey everyone, welcome back. This is everything I picked up at CVS for the sales week of November 29th through December 5th. I did two separate transactions on two separate accounts. I'm going to take you through the store, show you guys all the coupons I used, and then we'll go over the final numbers at the end. This week, Dove, Axe, and Degree deodorants are buy two, get a $2 extra care buck. Buy one, get one 50% off. I'm going to pick up two of these Dove antiperspirants. So one's going to be $7.99, one's going to be $3.99. It's going to bring me to $11.98. I'm going to use this two off of Dove, Degree, or Axe, and this dollar off of a $3.99 Dove or Degree. And then I have a $2.50 off of two. That's going to leave me to pay $6.48. Then I'll get a $2 extra care buck, making the final cost $2.24 each. This week, the Crest Scope mouthwash is $4.79, and when you buy one, you get a $3 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up one of these, and I'm going to pair it with some toothpaste. This week, select Crest toothpaste are priced at $3.99, and when you buy three, you get a $5 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up three of these Crest Pro Health Advanced. That's going to total me $11.97. So this is my Crest gel. I'm going to pair the toothpaste with the scope. This is going to total me $11.97 and $4.79 for $16.76. I'm going to use this at 4 off of 14, Crest Scope or Oral-B. And then I have a 5 off of 3 and a 2 off of 1 toothpaste. That's going to leave me to pay $5.96, and then I'll get back the $5 extra care buck for the Crest, the 3 for the scope, for a total of $8, making this a $2.04 moneymaker. This week, Maybelline is spend $15, get a $5 extra care buck with a limit of 1. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to pick up two of these baby lips at $4.69. I'm going to pick up a Maybelline Fit Me foundation for $8.49. And I'm going to pick up a Maybelline Lash Sensational for $9.99. All four of these products are going to total me $27.86. I have a few coupons. I have this $2 off Maybelline Mascara CRT, this $4 off Maybelline Foundation CRT, this $2 off of a Maybelline mascara, and then I have a 10 off of 25 on my card. I have a $4 instant coupon that printed for everybody at the Redbox machine on my card. So I have a total of 22 coupons. That's going to leave me to pay $5.86 in the store. I'll get back the $5 extra care buck for buying two, since it is a limit of 1. And then on Fetch, I'll get back 2,000 points for buying this mascara, and I'll get back 2,000 points for buying a Maybelline lip product, making this a $3.14 moneymaker. This week, the Palmolive, along with the Suavitel and the Fabuloso and some other products, are buy one, get one half off. And when you buy two, you get a $2 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up two of these Palmolives. These are the smaller 10 ounce. I'll get one for $1.99, the second one for 99 cents for $2.98. And then I'll get back a $2 extra care buck, making it 98 cents or 49 cents each. So for my spend 30, get 10, the L'Oreal facial care is included. I'm going to come down here and pick up one of these L'Oreal Age Perfect moisturizers for $18.99. I'm going to use this 6 off of L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect and this 5 off of 15. That's going to take off $11 off of this product, making it $7.99. I'm going to pick up two of these Persil liquid detergents at $4.99. I'm going to use this dollar off of 1 and this 2 off of 1 manufacturer coupons. That's going to take off $5 from $9.98, making them $4.98. And then I'm going to pick up 4 of these Kleenex. They're 2 for $3, so 4 of them is going to total me $6. I'm going to use this dollar off of 4, and then I have a $2 off of 5 Kleenex CRT on my card. That's going to take off $3, leaving me to pay $3 for 4 of them. So for my spend 30, get a $10 extra care bucks. These 7 products are going to total me $34.97. I have $19 in coupons. That's going to bring me down to $15.97. I'll get back a $10 extra care buck, making them $5.97 or 85 cents each. Okay, here's the receipt for the first transaction. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 Kleenex at 2 for $3, 2 of the Persil for $4.99 each. Scope was $4.79. 1, 2, 3 Crest toothpaste were $3.99. The Palmolive dish soap, one was $1.99. Second one half off at 99 cents. The Dove deodorants, one was $7.99. Second one was $3.99 half off. Maybelline Baby Lips, I picked up 2 for $4.69 each. The Maybelline Fit Me foundation was $8.49. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara was $9.99. And then the L'Oreal Moisturizer was $18.99. All of my manufacturer coupons came off. All of my digitals came off like I planned. For the Dove deodorant, I told you guys I was going to pay $6.48, get the $2 extra care buck back, making it $4.48 or $2.24 each. But I did have a digital coupon glitch and come off, so it made the final cost $4.48. I got back the $2 extra care buck, making it $2.48 or $1.24 each. All of my CRTs came off. I rolled $35 in extra care bucks for this transaction. I paid 5 cents out of pocket. I had a $117 savings. I got back $10 for spending $30. I got back the $2 for the Dove deodorant. I got back $5 for the crust, $5 for the Maybelline, $3 for the scope, and then $2 for the Palmolive, for a total of $27 back. That made this transaction a negative $8 and extra care bucks plus the 5 cents, so $8.05. I got back $4.16 on Fetch for the foundation and the lip product. And then I spent enough on beauty to get a $3 beauty buck, which within 48 hours. That makes $8.05 minus the $4.16 and the $3 beauty buck makes this transaction only 89 cents for 19 items. So I found one of the Wet n Wild gift sets all by its lonesome self right here. So I'm going to pick this up for $4.99, get a $4 extra care buck, making it 99 cents. This week, the Sally Hansen nail polishes are buy 2, get a $5 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 2 of these Extreme Wear for $3.49 each for a total of $6.98. I'll get back a $5 extra care buck, making it $1.98. I'm going to do the Cresto again. This week, they're buy 3, get a $5 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 3 for $11.97. I'm going to pair it with a Scope mouthwash for $4.79 to get a $3 extra care buck. These 4 products are going to total me $16.76. I have a 5 off of 3 digital and a $2 off of 1 digital, along with this 4 off of 14 crest. I'll be left to pay $5.76, get back $8 in extra care bucks, making it a $2.24 moneymaker. I'm going to do the Maybelline deal again on my second account. This week it's spend 15, get a $5 extra care buck with a limit of 1. I'm going to pick up a foundation for $8.49. And then I'm going to come over here and pick up a mascara for $7.49. These 2 products are going to total me $15.98. I'm going to use this $4 off of any Maybelline or L'Oreal CRT that printed for everybody at the Red Box machine. I have a $4 off of any foundation CRT on my card. I have this $2 off Maybelline mascara CRT, and then I have a $2 manufacturer coupon. That's going to leave me to pay $3.98 in the store. I'll get back a $5 extra care buck, making it a $1.02 moneymaker. This week, the Aveeno is buy one, get one 40% off again. And again, I have a bunch of CRTs. So I'm going to grab one of these Aveeno Positively Radiant at $9.29. And then this Aveeno Clear Complexion, 40% off at $5.57. These 2 products are going to total me $14.86. I have a 4 off of any Aveeno Positively Radiant on my card. I have a $3 off Aveeno Facial Cleansers CRT. I have this $4 off any Aveeno Clear Complexion for this product, and then I have another $3 off any Aveeno Facial Cleansers. That's going to take off $14, leave me to pay 86 cents in the store or 43 cents each. I'm going to pick up a Suavitel product at $3.19 and a Palmolive dish soap half off at 99 cents. Both of these products are going to total me $14.18. I have this dollar off of one any Suavitel product. That's going to make these 2 items $3.18. I'll get back a $2 extra care buck, making the final cost $1.18 for both. I'm going to do this deal again. I'm going to pick up 2 of the Suave deodorants. This week they're buy one, get one 50. Buy 2, get a $2 extra care buck. Pick up 1 for $2.19, the second one for $1.09. My total is going to be $3.28. I have a dollar off of 1. I'll pay $2.28, get back a $2 extra care buck, making it 28 cents for both. Colgate this week, select toothpaste are on sale for $3.49, and when you buy 2, you get a $4 extra care buck with a limit of 2. I'm going to go ahead and max out the deal. I'm going to pick up 4 of them for $13.96. I'm going to use this $2.99 off of Select Colgate that printed for everybody at the red box machine, this 3 off of 12, and then I have $1 off of 1 digital. I'll be left to pay $6.97, get an $8 extra care buck, making it $1.03 moneymaker. Second transaction, there's the scope for $4.79. There are the Crest toothpaste for $3.99 each. And the Colgate toothpaste, I picked up 4 of them for $3.49 each. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the Wet n Wild holiday set for $4.99. The Suavitel and the Palmolive, one was $3.19, one was 99 cents. The Suave deodorants, one was $2.19 and one was $1.09. The Aveeno was $9.29. Second one was $9.29, 40% off, made it $5.57. The Sally Hansen Extreme Wear nail polishes were $3.49 each. And then the Maybelline mascara for $7.49, and the Maybelline Fit Me for $8.49. All of my, I only had one manufacturer paper coupon for the Maybelline mascara, and then I had digitals. They all came off just fine. All of my CRTs went through just fine. I rolled $21 in extra care bucks. I did have a higher out of pocket. I was off on my math. If I knew it was going to be so high, I would have split this transaction up, but that's okay. I paid $8.17 on a Fetch Rewards gift card, and then I paid $5.83 plus tax on a debit card. I had an $82.81 savings, 86%. I got back $8 for doing the Colgate deal twice. I got back $5 for the Crest, $2 for buying Palmolive and Suavitel, $5 for Maybelline, $3 for Scope, $4 for the Wet n Wild gift set, $2 for the Dove. This was the Suave deodorant on this transaction, and then $5 for the Sally Hansen. I rolled $21 in extra care bucks. I got back $34, which is a gain of $13 in extra care bucks. That makes my final cost after spending on my subtotal $1 for this transaction. But then I did spend enough money in beauty to get a $3 beauty buck, and I did scan to Fetch. It gave me 50 points or 5 cents. So that makes the final cost of this, it was $1. I'll get back the $3 beauty buck plus the 5 cents. Makes the final cost of this transaction a $2.05 moneymaker. Again, I did have to pay $5.83 plus tax, cash out of pocket. I usually just roll Fetch Rewards gift cards, but like I said, my math was off, so I did have to pay, but I did get everything back in extra care bucks. So it worked out just fine. My first transaction was 89 cents. My second transaction was a $2.05 moneymaker. Final cost for all 38 items is $1.16 moneymaker. That does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.